Happy Muscle Monday. Happy Manufacturing Month. Today we are going to focus on the muscle that most people consider the muscle that you show someone else when they ask you, let me see your muscles. So, as manufacturing individuals, all of you are very helpful to the American economy based on the 13 to 15 GDP number that I found, and then the value and self-value and self-worth document that's going to be passed around the mill throughout this week and next week for the rest of October. But the focus for this muscle Monday is the biceps brachii. So the muscle in our arm here that when people say, hey, show me your muscles, and people do that one, that's what I want to see this week. So if you don't mind, when I say manufacturing muscle or happy manufacturing month, if you could just show me one of those to say, I see you, I understand that you're recognizing what I do and my accomplishments, and I have a biceps brachii muscle that I feel confident in, that I can show you and support the manufacturing muscle of the month. So thank you very much. Again, you're valued as manufacturing employees and supervisors, and happy manufacturing month.